Don't go outside.
No, Papa.
Don't go outside, Florence. It's raining.
Albaya.
Anong umbrella? Halika na dito. It's raining outside, Florence. Hanga may suro dito nga ubing Florence. Talaga. Hala, sige. Hala. Doctor! You want to go to the doctor?
No.
Want to go to the hospital?
No.
Oh. You will get sick. Kapag nagpaulan ka dyan. Artista talaga. Are you okay, Florence? Are you sick? Ay, let's go to the doctor. You're sick naman pala. Bye-bye, Flo Flo. Where are you going? What? You're going to SM Cherry? Come here.